Short little video. My first successful test for my occlusion for spin pack disease. Yeah, I've not worked on this for 7 years, so it's taken me a while just to get my head around. Just remembering some Z80, which is a bit tragic, but there you go, that's me all over. And I've got some massive obstacles in the way, but I've actually got at least something working. So this is my little Gerald character and a mock-up map that is rendered. So if I show you, it is real-time rendering. There's obviously going to be issues because I've forced in some occlusion test data, and you can see I can change map. My occlusion test data is still there. So this is me renderer. So I need to calculate where to put the occlusion stuff, but I've just hand done it for this demonstration just to make sure it works as a process. But like I said, there's lots of issues with that. Some terrible calculations I've got to try and make. But just to show that it does work, there's the character, and I'm just going to move him, and he's going to go behind the column. It's a bit of a cheat because I've forced some data there, but what I've got to do is work out what is the front facing object whenever Gerald's on screen, and if there is one, place the occlusion stuff there. If there isn't, then obviously don't do anything, but I've still got to work out. So I've got to track where the Gerald character is, and then constantly work out what would be in front, the frontmost thing. And you can see it doesn't work completely, but it works for that bit where I've fixed it. I've got to sort out the controls now because they're terrible. Just enough for me to move it. But yeah, it works as a concept. Whether I'm going to be able to get this to work fully, I do not know. That's the big challenge for this.